Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome. Today's video is all about getting motivated to wash or do your dishes, so I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Whether you're washing your dishes right along with me, or just enjoy watching cleaning motivation videos, this video is perfect for you. Also, I'm considering splitting up my videos into two channels, one for workout videos and one for more homemaking content. I put up a poll out on my channel for you to vote. I'd love to hear from you.
Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day.
what you're seeing here today is a typical Monday morning routine. Usually over the weekend, the dishes pile up quite a bit. I don't normally do them too much over the weekend since I'm just trying to enjoy the time off with my husband. But then starting on Monday, I start fresh, a clean slate, and try to get as many dishes done as possible. So the dishwasher fills up pretty fast. I try to scrub everything the best I can before putting it in the dishwasher. Sometimes though, the dishwasher does not get everything clean. I'm sure we just need a new dishwasher. It's probably pretty old, but right now we're just making it work. Let me know in the comments down below if you have that issue too with your dishwasher.
Lifestyles are changing, love on the daily. Call me, oh baby, felt. I know you hate me, talk to me crazy. We could just run away. Talk to me crazy, we can just run away. Just run away, run away. Wanna sing, run away, run away. Wanna be, run away, run away. Run away, run away. We can go inner city lights, moonlight so bright. Inner city life, heartbreak, all life. It's a new life, it's a new life. It's a new, it's a brand new. Talk to me crazy, we could just run away. Just run away, run away. Wanna sing, run away, run away. Wanna be, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. We could just run away, run away. Wanna sing, run away, run away. Wanna be, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. 'Cause I felt lifestyles are changing, love on the daily. We can just run away. Just run away, run away. Wanna sing, run away, run away. Wanna be, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. Settle into the dark, you don't wanna see. Huddle into my arms where you wanna be. Say you over me, never over me. Run away, run away.
When I'm wrong, you always call it out. You've seen it all, me at my worst. You lift me up when I have fallen apart.
Also, if you notice in the dishwasher, it slides open on the top rack when I try to put stuff in on the bottom. So I don't know why that is. It's just like a broken feature on our dishwasher. So our dishwasher has a couple of problems here and there, but we are just making it work until we can afford to get a new one.
But have I stopped to tell you? You are my sisters, you are my tribe. No one like you brings me to life. You inspire me to fly. I know you're always on my side.
dreaming about somebody else. Now I'm feeling like I'm wasting my time. I think I'm losing my mind, but I can't help but feel like we don't love the way that we used to. You tell me all your secrets while you sleep, but you don't know that I'm moving on my own. You should know that life has grown cold in this world that we built, yeah. There's all the flares in your heart, my worst nightmare, but I can't stay away. I used to fly in my dreams as a kid, but when I'm with you, it's like I'm losing my powers all over again. And I can't help but feel like we don't choose what we dream about. And right now I just need someone to feel like I'll make it through the night. I'm moving on my own. You should know that life has grown cold in this world that we built, yeah. There's all the flares in your heart, my worst nightmare, but I can't stay away. I can't stay away. Maybe it's time that I find something new now. I've seen the signs, they're the same ones as last year. They've been around for a while, shit keeps happening. It comes right back to you.
I hope this cleaning motivation helped you today get motivated to do your dishes or clean another area in your home. So let me know down in the comments down below what you'd like to see next for the channel. I really want to be making content that you want to see. So leave me a comment down below. Make sure to like the video as well if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel if you are new.